Good morning, Hansen. Are you ready today?
Yeah!
Today,
Yes!
I have a story for you with a new sound. So let's see what the story will tell us and what sounds would that be. Okay? You have to listen and look at the video. One day, a girl found the sink black and full of water. Yeah, and she was not happy with that. Go look at the video. And she was not happy with that. So she decided to call the plumber. You know what the plumber means?
Man.
Yes, you're right. A plumber is a man who fixes the sink. So she called the plumber. And he came. Okay, see the man there?
Yes.
The man, that's the plumber. And this man, he fixed the sink. When he fixed the sink, the water went down very quickly. Down all the way to the drain. And the girl was very happy. And now the sink is being fixed. So she decided to sing. What did the girl sing? What did she sing? No, she sing like this. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. With a ga, 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 ga. Yeah. You know what is the drain? What is the drain? Yeah, the drain. It's a long pipe. Yeah, the drain. Okay, you know the drain? You remember this? Rinse spout. Climb up to water spout. Down came the rain and wiped the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And incy spider climb up the spout again. Okay? The drain, that's the long pipe. And what is the gurgles, Hansen? What gurgle means? Means the water goes to that pipe with the sound. Yeah? That's the gas sound. While it goes in. Okay, when the water goes in, you will hear the ga sound.
Yes.
What you will hear?
Ga sound.
Very good. Ga. Okay, can we sing the song together?
Yes.
Okay, can we sing the song? The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. With the ga, 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 ga. Okay, what sound is that again?
Ga.
Ga, 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 ga. What is the sound again?
Ga, ga, ga.
Ga, 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 ga.
Ga, ga, ga.
What is the sound again?
Ga, ga, ga.
Very nice. Thank you, baby. That's for today. Tomorrow, we're going to write the letter G. The letter G. It's a ga. Yeah, with ga sound. Okay? Tomorrow, yes? Okay. Thank you.